With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this question it is written that in the vexillary aestivation, the largest petal, two small lateral petals and two small anterior petals are referred to as dash, dash and dash respectively. So here we see that aestivation is the arrangement of sepals and petals with respect to other members of the same whorl, while it can be classified into four basic types. The first one here is the valvate, where the margins of the petal do not overlap each other, they just touch each other, right? So in this case we see that the example of this one is the calotropis. In the second type, it is called as twisted. In twisted type, there is regular overlapping of the petals, where we can see one of the petals is overlapped, one end of each of the petals is overlapped, whereas this end is the exposed one. So this happens with all the petals here. So there is regular overlapping in case of this one, while we can take the example of twisted as cotton, ladyfinger and the China rose. The third type which is given here is the imbricate one. In case of imbricate, the overlapping of the petals is seen, but this is irregular overlapping of the petals, with sometimes both the petals being overlapped, and in some cases both the petals are exposed onto the sides. So here we see the example of imbricate is the cassia and the gulmohar. So these are the examples. Then talking about the last one, which is the vexillary, or which is also called as papilionaceous. This type of aestivation occurs in case of leguminous plant, the pea and the beans. In this case, we see that in the diagram, it is clearly seen that there is a large petal which is called as standard petal, and this standard petal here is also given the name, it is called as vexillium. Followed by this, it is having two lateral petals here. These lateral petals are not fused to each other, they are smaller than the standard petals, and these are called as wings or alae. So this is the name given to this, while there are two petals which occur as keel here, and they are fused to each other, and this keel is also known as carina. So now we can rightly mark this as the second option, that is standard wings and keel is the name given to the petals respectively. Now option number 2 here becomes the right answer for this question, while the other options here are the wrong options. So we can mark option 2 as the correct answer. So this is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.